Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are throwing
Shark.
a shark. This one goes for you, Atik,
My cousin.
little cousin. Here we go. Okay, easy. So we're gonna start over here, and we're gonna draw an eye first. You know we like to start with an eye. So I'm just gonna draw a circle, and I'm gonna add a little pupil inside there. Well, a reflection at least, and we're going to keep it just like that. Okay? And now we're going to draw a line coming from the front, and we're taking it just all behind the eye. So we're going to do this, and we stop there. Got that?
Yeah.
We draw a shark fin at the top. And we take this line all the way back. And we draw a little fin here, just a little bump of a fin. And we take it back. Now we draw the shark fin and we go up there, and we bring it back, and we go back there. We draw the mouth. We draw a line down there, just like that. Smile, slight smile, and do a little D, and take the line from here, and we stop just here. We can now draw this one, the side, get back in there. Now we take it back here. And we draw a little fin again, just like the one on top. Take it there, and we complete the fin. So now what does sharks have, Easy? Gills and crazy sharp teeth. So we're going to draw the teeth. I'm just going to make it like that. Easy. You see, it looks like a happy little shark. Okay, and we're going to draw 5 gills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a little shark.
Yep.
Did you know that there's over 500 species of shark? It's like a whole lot of shark, different types. There's some big ones like the great white, and there's some small ones like the little bala sharks you can keep in your fish tank. It's also considered shark.
Hammer shark.
There's a hammerhead shark, and there's even very old sharks. Did you know that the Greenland shark lives up to 400 years? A Greenland shark is a shark that's just really old and swims around passively. And there's a shark that can take a walk. It's called the epaulet shark. He can even walk on land. He can walk out of the water. Okay, so before we continue, please click that subscribe button and drop us a like as well. So with the shark, you can draw a little line going down here, just to differentiate the color between the top of his body and the bottom. So I'm just going to do this, a mild little line going back there, squiggly, and can be just like that. And there we have it, everybody. That's our shark.
Yep.
So now, time for color. Here we go, easy. So mine is gonna be, well, we got blues and we got grays and the silver. I'm gonna go green. And that's it, everybody. There's our sharks.
Yep.
But he's got this yellow shark. It reminds me of Agumon.
Wait,
from
because
the Digimon.
because I'm trying to make a reflection. Danny Taylor reflecting what a big
Oh.
black.
Reflection.
So that's why I did make it.
Yeah, he looks cool though. He looks cool. He's a big body shark.
Well, yeah, I already have a plan for it already.
Yeah, what you gonna do to the shark?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.